Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Marguarita from My Lifestyle Journals. Today I am sharing a super easy one-pan low-carb meal that perfect for busy moms, weight loss, meal prep and diabetic friendly. One-pan meals, less mass, more flavor and all the nutrients your body needs. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my quick and easy low-carb recipes. Some of you may know that I have lost 20 pounds in 4 months after having my baby by eating low-carb meals like this. Want my exact meal plan? Comment LC below and I will send you my free 7 days low-carb meal plan. Plus, if you are serious about transforming your health, check out my e-guide where I share exactly how I lost the weight and how I am maintaining it, all while enjoying delicious food. Check the link in the description. Alright, let's get cooking! All the ingredients you need here, it's all here. First of all, you need chicken thigh for juicy meal. I have zucchini and eggplant, and coconut oil, ginger garlic paste, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, Greek yogurt, pink Himalayan salt, turmeric, paprika, it's coriander powder, chili powder. First I'm going to cut the chicken. Before cutting the chicken, I am sharpening the knife. Do you also do that? Like before starting cutting anything, especially meat, do you sharpen your knife? Let me know in the comments. Alright. It's sharp enough. So now all the chicken is cut. So I'm going to marinate with Greek yogurt. So I'm going to have 2 spoons of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Pink Himalayan salt, turmeric, and paprika, then roasted garlic pepper. Then I'm going to mix it very well. While I'm cutting my vegetable, it will marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes and I will keep it in the freeze so it will combine while I'm cutting my vegetables, and then we'll start cooking. Alright, now it's time to chop the veggie. Okay, first take off the head and the tail, make slice in the middle, another slice, and then make this slice, and then chop, 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 chop. That's it. So now all the veggie is chopped. Zucchini and the eggplants all in a cube. So let's start cooking. So heat up the pan and then use coconut oil. Here I am using this organic Eggplant coconut oil. So 1 tablespoon coconut oil. So I have heated pan with coconut oil. You can use avocado oil as well, but for cooking I'm using coconut oil. And now I'm going to fry my onion. Add cumin while frying onion. It will give you the beautiful flavor. I like to cook my vegetables with cumin because it tastes and smells very nice. Now stir it very well. Cook the onion until it is brown. Your onion fries like this, it gets red, then I'm going to put my chicken, marinated chicken. It's been 10 minutes in the freezer while marinating. Now mix your chicken very well. To cook it very well, you can cover it. So let it cook. So now it looks ready for my spices that I'm going to add is ginger garlic paste. You can buy from store, but this one is made at home. The paste is made at home. So a little bit of ginger garlic paste will make the difference. And now we'll add more spices. Let me stir it so then it evenly mix it. Rest of the spices I'm going to add after adding my vegetable. So it's now time to add my vegetables so then it marries together. Now stir it very well. I'm going to use my coriander powder here. And a little bit of chili powder because I am not that much chili person. Paprika for veggie to look red, to bring the color. Now mix it again. I will let it cook. You can cover it. I will let stay like this. I will not cover it for now. So it looks almost done. Within that time, I'm using garam masala to finishing up the cooking process. It will add more flavor into your food. Red onion on the top and some coriander leaves. Done. Already. So now all ready. It is so good. Look at this, so colorful, so fresh, packed with nutrients. Want more easy low carb meals like this? Grab my 7 days low carb meal plan. It's packed with quick and easy recipes that help me lose 20 pounds after having my baby and keeping it off. Just comment LC below and I will send straight to you. And if you want my step-by-step guide on how I lost weight while eating delicious food, check out my e-guide. The link is in the description. Before you go, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a like if you love quick and easy low carb meals. Comment below what's your favorite one-pan meal. I would love to try it. Share this video with a friend who is on a weight loss journey. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Happy cooking!